Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to capture action items in Confluence. Type a / to open, then insert menu. Type ACT to filter, then list, then click action items. A text field appears prompting you to type your action and use then @ symbol to assign it to someone. Type then action items. For this example, break. Then type the @ symbol to bring up the people selection menu. I'm selecting tryalts from then list, which inserts the mentioned TESAC 9. Type another /, then click Date from Then menu. A calendar picker opens, so you can set a due date for then action items. Click then date you want. In this example, I'm selecting July 31st. Then selected date, July 31st, 2026, appears in the action items, and it's now assigned with a due date. If you need to change the assignee or due date later, just click directly on the mention or the date within the action item and make your edit. Action items stay in line with your page content, so they work well for meeting notes or project plans where tasks come up naturally in the discussion. You can add multiple action items to the same page, and each one tracks its own assignee and deadline independently. And that's how to capture action items in Confluence. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.